In today on in reflections, we are going to talk about International Women's Day. So we're going to talk. Let me talk about the little I know and feel and see and have experienced about women. About women. For that, if you remove all these confusions which have come in and rightly come in also in terms of the fighting of women for their rights, which are all correct, obviously, and they have been suppressed for ages, obviously, and they've had it very hard. Sometimes I wonder how they are living, obviously. Yet today, uh, setting aside all that, what if we look at women fresh? That's what I wanted to do today. How does one look at a woman? Any woman as such. One of my friends says that if you don't love all women in the world, women as such, then you can't love your woman. That's true. What is woman? Metaphysically, a woman. For a woman, something should there should be something like man, right? In a heterosexual relationship. So for a man, metaphysically, what is a woman? And for me, it's actually very simple. Woman is wonder. Woman is a sense of shock and worship. Woman is a woman without clothes. Is real woman, powerful woman. Woman is power. Woman is something which you are awestruck by. Woman is reverence. It's not just feeling hot towards a woman. It's reverent heat. Woman is electricity. Woman is the heights of happiness when you touch her, kiss her, hold her, make love to her. Woman is a total crazy gift given by nature. And of course, all this goes vice versa also because I'm including man in it. It's an International Man's Day also in that way. Woman is also a mind, a very great mind, really. Look at Ayn Rand, look at Hannah Arendt, look at so many. Look at Shobhana. It's a very peculiar mind. It's not a ordinary mind by any. This is where we must keep aside everything. We must keep aside our pseudo male chauvinism completely aside and look woman as such we are talking about. Then there is Mary Curie. There is Sunita Williams. There is that whole depth of woman which holds compassion, which holds empathy, which holds power of intellect, which holds intelligence. And you see that woman, when is a wonder woman. Woman is a wonder. The greatest creation of God. That is why there is so much poetry towards women. Whether people are realizing or not, they don't know maybe the poets, but they're trying to express something there. It is so clear, so wonderful. Woman is love. Woman is really greater than man in many, many, many senses. Yet she is one with man. There's no comparison there. There is no fight there. There is oneness. There is love. Woman is love. Woman is the highest possible heights of love. Woman is not inside, beauty inside. Woman is outside. Woman is inside, outside, clear, seen. Woman is a mother earth. Woman is a nurturer. Who nurtures her? Woman is mother earth. That is the Devi, the Kali. Woman is a destroyer of evil. When the time comes, she can slay like no man can do. She is needed in this pansy's world to speak the truth. Thunder, like Ayn Rand did, like Hannah Arendt did, that there cannot be any lesser evil. There is evil, you know. When empathy is gone, everything is gone. When morality is gone, everything is gone. That is woman. Rose Lane, Simon Weil, Arundhati Roy. Women who can talk the truth, who can tell the naked truth. We have talk about we objectify women in the cheapest ways, but do you realize that a woman, when she is naked in her mind and soul, we can't bear it. We can't bear it. We can't hold it. We can't love it. But we can, I think. That moment we can. Next moment we forget. That is what Ayn Rand wrote. Next moment we forget. Before we forget. That moment we are struck. Woman is a goddess. Woman gave birth to me. Woman nurtured my kids. Funny is a woman, a very great woman. I don't even know her. All the women I have met in my life, each one of them is so beautiful. I can't even begin to tell you. No, really. I can talk a lot about that. Each of them, you know, each of them. I'm talking about no woman is ordinary. Shah Rukh Khan is correct. Every woman is so special, and every woman is same. When I feel down, all I have to do is just speak to any woman, and I can get the warmth, the love instantly. A world ruled by women will be better. It is not feminism or anything like that. It is just the qualities of a woman. Women are truly international, global. Women go deep into research. I think so. Look at the research that's done in activism. Joan of Arc. In philosophy, I believe Ayn Rand, who completed Aristotle. You know, in economics, I believe Isabel Patterson. She created such depth. People don't even know that. In art, in art, in poetry, Elizabeth Barrett Browning. In art, Amrita Shergill, Frida Kahlo, totally daring. You know. Yesterday I read about Gillot, who left Picasso. They don't need. In science, Marie Curie, the only one who got two more Nobel Prizes. I met women in my college. It was a top college. They were just like men, much greater than men. Most of the toppers were women. All the time, the marks, girls get more marks. In my class, it's like women, the girls I know, I can't tell. It's the men who are not listening, the women who are listening, knowing the value of my words, knowing that it's going to give them power, knowing its value, studying, fighting. Women in Lapata ladies. Look at the magic of women's movies. Do you realize? Do we realize how cruel we are to women? Because how great they are. Do we realize how great they are? That they can forgive and go see through and still fight for a greater world and in an unequal world. Do you realize how horribly we have been treated? The latest movie, Assi. Assi. 80 women every day are raped. Do we realize what the hell we are doing with women? We should be loving them and making our lives better. How cheap we have become, including me. How low level we have descended. And now we see these pansies. They're all masculine, bullshit, cheapest, dirtiest, most evil, openly aggressive, most dangerous, completely, also very cunning, dirtiest, what this called alpha males we see all around. Modi, Putin, Trump, dirtiest men they are. And they have trapped everybody. Every pansy person has fallen in that trap. They have put women also in that trap. This is the time to rise against these pansies. Women should be the Kali today and slay evil. Create a new heaven on earth. Be the nurturer of this earth. Save this earth. Not just ecologically, metaphysically, scientifically, holistically. And ecology being part of it. This universe being part of it. Women came from this universe to create a beautiful world, to create a heaven on earth. We need the goddesses. Gods have failed. This is my view, really my view. Thank you. Happy International Women's Day to every single woman, with my wish and a prayer that they rise, awake, and slay the demons within a little bit, without totally. Thank you.